यार तुम कुत्ते भौंक रहे हो ना पहले। हाँ हाँ, दो तीन और आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ, अभी अभी आना, सब माइक ले लो। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and second episode of this how do I edit my pictures video. And by now you must be knowing how much I was obsessed with the pink color. How amazing the pink was. Like, it is going to be about the different props that we're going to use and how we're going to use. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So guys, सेटअप कैसे बनाए ये तो आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे. ये पहली वीडियो में मैंने दिखाया था और जिसने नहीं देखी है पार्ट 1 ऑफ द लाइट प्रोजेक्ट, प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच. उसमें पूरा मैंने डिटेलिंग में बताया कि हमने ये
Okay, so for the next I'm going to try the feathers. Let's see how the feathers come up. So this is how the feather looks. I've made like 2 feathers यहाँ पर, and then I'll pose. It will come in the middle, and my face will be in the center of it. And I'll try to pose that. And that is all for the feather one. And now I'm choosing my prop as this wooden piece. Now I'm going to pose with it, and let's see how that turns out.
Now the next that I'm planning to take are these glasses. These 2 glasses will give like a pool wala look. Let's see how it turns out. Putting it just like that. And here we go. We have a little poolish and texture look, and we're gonna take some pictures in that very background.
Oh my god, the background looks really amazing, and it has these, sexy aesthetic vibes, which I'm really loving. And I'm gonna shoot it in blue only because blue is looking really amazing right now. I changed my clothes again. I'm changing it because मुझे फिर Instagram पे भी डालनी होती है pictures, वो एक ही outfit में हो जाएंगी, इसलिए I'm keeping changing and I'm keeping changing my clothes. हाँ, बोल रही थी यार. Also, I'm really loving the texture that's coming on my face and my body. It's really so elegant, and I'm absolutely loving it. So without any further ado, जल्दी से selfies लेते हैं. I am totally loving this background. I'm gonna create it again. मैं पक्का जल्दी मतलब इन्हीं सारी चीज़ों से करूँगी, और इससे तो definitely I'm gonna take picture again and again because I absolutely loved this. These all props were so random. मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं है. I'm just putting them and looking how they are, giving me the results.
The next that I've planned is कि इसके ऊपर थोड़ा कूड़ा कबाड़ा रख दिया जाए. So I had these, little cardboard के कटे हुए pieces, and I'm gonna put it ऐसे कि वो पूरा texture बने इस wall पे ना. So let's see how it works on. This is how I've managed to put it in, and wall कुछ ऐसी लग रही है. काफ़ी amazing, full of textures. Let's see how the results are gonna be.
So we are right now in the blue light. Let's see what other lights will give us. This is same.
10 minutes later.
How does this pink look? Pink? मैं color blind हो गई हूँ. I think I look like a चुड़ैल इसमें ना. It gives a little bold look. Like it, because I'm having the matte lipstick and the bold eyes I've done. Now for the next one, I'm planning just to take this painting. I made this. Yeah, so I try to make the glitch effect here, and I'm gonna take either the red color in the lights or the blue color so it reflects like really glitchy. Wow. Pink just looks so amazing. Does it reflect the glitch? It does, my baby. Let's do it. Going with the pink for no reason. मैंने red और blue सोचा था, but this looks अभी तक तो ठीक लग रहा था. Pink ही चला गया यार. I didn't know reflect नहीं हो पा रहा है. Blue, okay. How does it look in blue? I want to go back to pink. But
7 hours later.
it's reflecting more. Painting is reflecting more than
Many hours later.
the sensor doesn't work properly when I really want to. Like sensor will come and work when I'm really upset, depressed. Okay, pink again. We're gonna take some selfies. Bye. Now this is the very basic one. I'm taking a book and I'll be doing this, and then उसके बीच में I'll put the timer, और timer में I'll make sure कि वो जो books हैं वो ऐसे आए ताकि वो अच्छा लगे. So I have few ideas for the photographs. So let's see how it comes out. जी नहीं आता, मैं भूतनी बन जाती हूँ इसमें. I look like a witch. I wish I was a witch. I really want to be a witch. For no reason. Pink, why is pink so aesthetic, and I'm in love right now. Now for this lightning, मैंने इधर से purple shade लिया है और इधर से एक tube light खोली है. So you can see that half of my face is having the purple side and half of my face is having the white side. So we're gonna click some pictures in that and let's see how it turns out.
Now I'm going to show you the very famous fridge selfies that we're going to do obviously near the fridge. So हमें lights और tripod लेके जाने वाले हैं. And I will be telling you how can we make that a little aesthetic. So let's get on. So I can't open fridge like for really long and I'm shooting that in after the midnight actually. So मैं जल्दी से fridge खोलूँगी, हम थोड़ी सी selfies लेंगे. I'll show you how the setup is going to be. And yeah, let's see.
So guys, that was all. That was the second episode of the Light Project. I hope you really enjoyed it. मैंने 2 ही episode shoot करे थे तो मैंने 2 ही डाले हैं. If you want to see more of it, please comment down below और बताओ कि कौन सी creativity आपको ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. I would really love to know कौन सी technique है जो आप easily use कर सकते हो, कभी भी use कर सकते हो, and you would love to try that. I would really love to know. Also guys, मैं next week video नहीं डालूंगी because I'm working on something really important. कुछ ऐसा है जो मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच रही थी करने के, finally वो हो चुका है. एक्चुअली ऐसी 2 चीज़ें हैं बट एक चीज़ अभी 1 हफ्ते बाद रिलीज़ कर, जो लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे उनको ऑलरेडी पता चल जाएगा. 20th of August को डालूंगी. और अगर आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो एंड यू वांट टू बी अप टू डेट, प्लीज़ go and check out. Yeah, see you in the next video. Toodles!